Dear learners, welcome to my online class. This is Atiyar Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, Daffodils High School, Moitpura Dohar, Dhaka. Today I am going to discuss about tag questions. So let's start the discussion. Okay, tag questions are the small questions that often come at the sentences in speech. Okay, you have to remember one thing. We use tag question after affirmative sentence and negative sentence, not after questions. Okay, if the sentence is affirmative, negative tags are used after the sentence, and if the sentence is negative, non-negative tags are used after the sentence. Okay, look at the two sentences. You are the new secretary, aren't you? This is an affirmative sentence, so we have to use negative tags after the sentence, aren't you? Here the negative tags. And contracted form is used after the sentence. Are not means aren't. Okay, look at the second sentence. You are not the new secretary. Here we use not. So non-negative tags is used after the sentence because we have not in the main sentences. Okay, look at the third sentence. If the main sentence has an auxiliary or be verb, this is repeated in the question tags. Okay, here we use can. This is modal auxiliary verb. So this is repeated in the tag questions. I think you have understood what I have said. Okay, non-negative tags are used after the sentences containing never, no, nobody, no one, none, hardly, scarcely, little, etc. That means the word that refers to the negative meanings. If we use these negative words in the main sentence, we have to use non-negative tags after the sentence. This is a non-negative tags because we have little in the main sentence. Okay, we use it in question tag if it refers to something, anything, everything, nothing. If the subject of a sentence is something, anything, everything, nothing, we used it in the question tags. Okay, We use they in tag question to refer to everybody, nobody, somebody, everyone, someone, none. Look at the sentence. Here we use everybody. So we have to they in the question tag because they refers to everybody, nobody, somebody, everyone, someone, none. So we have to use they. And you have to notice one thing, that we have used aren't. Here is the be verb is. This verb is agreed with this subject, not everybody. এখানে দে ইউজ করার কারণে এখানে আমরা aren't ইউজ করেছি। So dear learners, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. I will discuss further in another class. So dear learners, use masks when you go outside the home and use hand sanitizer again and again to keep yourself safe and sound. So dear learners, no more today. Thank you.